Wake up. Time to go. See your grandma Esther.
Come.
Turn on the light.
No.
Hey, wake up. Uh-oh, Ultraman. Ultraman. Oh my god, Ultraman. Can you get the free Ultraman? Yep, free Ultraman. In Ipoh. Ultraman in Ipoh. Uh-oh, Ultraman coming on. Ultraman. You can buy already, Ultraman. Ooh. Wake up, oh. Ultraman.
Come.
Ultraman. Ooh, coming. Can buy Ultraman already, oh. Oh, Ultraman, oh. Ultraman, oh.
Come. Come. You go.
Bye-bye. Bye. Uncle will take your place already, oh. I'll go to... No, I'm not going to go anywhere. Oh, bye-bye. See you. No more Ultraman, oh. Thiều Phấn Chong, wake up lah.
Sit down.
Hey, where's my key?
There.
Oh. Scared the shit out of me.
Huh?
Scared the shit out of me.
Why?
Thought my key gone.
Faster.
Faster lah. Jom. Aduh, hai.
Mày mặn vậy chị?
Mana, hai. Take a dump already. Yesterday could not take a dump. Me ate a lot of chili but couldn't take a dump because I was filming in the toilet, so shit does not come out when the camera is rolling. Bye bye. Bless you.
Say love you. Okay, come.
Bye. Yay, I have the whole apartment to myself. Nice. Life is kinda good.